Hi everyone, we're at 325 Densmore Road, Unit 503. This wonderful two-bedroom condo is situated in a great area, close to shopping and the 401. Come on in, let's go take a look. As you walk in, you'll enter the living and dining rooms open to the kitchen. There are two good-sized bedrooms, one currently being used as a den. There's a 4-piece bath, in-law laundry, and storage. A great feature is the large windows offering light and privacy.